morning to the dignitaries of the day and the parents and all the students of VBIT, the first year students. Let us start this Induction Day 2020 with a classical performance by Miss Devika. Let us all welcome her with a great round of applause.
मदालसा मंजुल वाग्विलासा माणिक्य वीणा उपलालयति मदालसा मंजुल वाग्विलासा
Performance by you, Devika. May God bless you with many more accolades in future. Thank you. On that grand note, I would like to start the event, the Induction Day 2020. Respected dignitaries of the day, honored professors and teachers of VBIT, esteemed parents, and the new entrants into the threshold of VBIT, the dearest BTech first year students. A very good morning to you all and a warm welcome to you all into this prestigious induction ceremony 2020. It is in fact a proud moment for us to begin yet another path-breaking academic year for yet another set of aspiring students, especially when we have cut down the constraints of this pandemic, the corona pandemic, and are waggling through this particular pandemic situation to rediscover ourselves, to come into this existence. I, Dr. A. Ashwini, on behalf of the VBIT family, extend my earnest wishes to all the freshers for their successful journey in quest of knowledge and wisdom. At this juncture, I welcome all our first year students to put the right foot forward, create the new normal, and be confident to take up their academic responsibilities as usual. I welcome you all once again. Swami Vivekananda says, we want education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded and by which one can stand on one's own feet. That brings us to understand the need for an all-round development of the students with regard to their character and will, blended with an academic excellence for their successful future. I would at this juncture like to emphasize on VBIT extending its wholesome support to these students to win every battle of their lives and to come out victorious in all their endeavors. It is said that learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you really great. And the teaching learning process of VBIT is done on the same lines, where attention is paid not only to academics but also on various other co-curriculum in the form of the various technical clubs in the institution, which tend to provide an overall progress in a student. This progress is in fact ultimately proved through this Aakar Project Expo every year, which we at VBIT organize to explore and give a creatively innovative bent to the knowledge and the wisdom of the students and gain something from the academics. With the institution getting the autonomous status and an A grade by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, that is NAC, we are on the uphill task to mold our college, its teachers, its students into viable individuals, the torch bearers for excellent technical wisdom in the society. On this positive note, I would like to commence this induction program by inviting Dr. C.H. S.L.N. Sridhar, the Vice Principal, Head, Department of Humanities and Sciences and Director, Students Affairs. We welcome you, sir, on the dais. I also welcome our in-charge principal, Dr. S. Krishna Rao, onto the dais. On the same pace, I would also invite Dr. Jayant Kulkarni, the Director IQAC, onto the dais. My sincerest welcomes to Dr. Manohar Reddy, sir, our Secretary, VBIT. It is heartwarming for everybody connected to VBIT to have an academic stalwart today amongst us as the chief guest in the form of Mr. Krishna Shastri Pendyala, working as partner cybersecurity consulting with Ernst & Young LLP India, Executive Director, Cybersecurity Incident Response and Digital Forensic Service, PwC. May I take the privilege to invite Dr. Gautam Rao, sir, our Chairman, VBIT, to accompany our chief guest onto the dais to complete the circle. I request our Chairman, sir, and our Secretary, sir, to honor the chief guest with the sapling.
Let me introduce VBIT first. Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology, VBIT, was founded in the year 2004 by Swami Vivekananda Educational Trust, run by great visionaries in the area of technical education of Telangana state. Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology is permanently affiliated to Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, one of the best technological university in the country. Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology is recognized by University Grant Commission, UGC, the central government organization. Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology is accredited by National Accreditation and Assessment Council, NAC, with A grade. All the BTech programs, namely Civil Engineering, Computer Science Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Information Technology, and Mechanical Engineering have been accredited by the National Board of Accreditation, NBA. The college has received autonomous status from UGC in the last academic year 2019-20. This is one of the best autonomous colleges out of 26 in the state of Telangana. Now, you are the second batch of autonomous of VBIT. Now, newly joined students will undergo the BTech program of R19 regulations. Now, being the autonomous institution, we have been preparing our own BTech program. All the subjects and their syllabi will be prepared by the college only. The experts in the various departments, including doctorates and senior professors, will prepare the program. Now, this program will be comprised of academics, industry and research oriented subjects. Now we have been introducing various industry related courses into the curriculum, BTech program. For this purpose, we have been establishing various laboratories, industry related sponsored laboratories, various centers of excellence in order to cope up with the current industry needs. So these sponsored laboratories and centers of excellence includes ICT Academy of Central of Excellence powered by Autodesk, SAP Student Academy Program, Cisco Network Academy, Indian School of Business Program, and so on and so forth. Our director IIIC will introduce all these programs. Now the new students will learn theoretical concepts in the regular classrooms, and they will conduct experimental investigations in the laboratories available in the departments, and they will do project works as per the curriculum needs. However, in addition to the curriculum needs, they will be exposed to learn and train industry-oriented certificate programs provided by the respective departments in order to fulfill their academic goals. And the institute has everything, and the sky is the limit for all the new first-year students.
మీరే అయితే నమ్మకంతో మీ పిల్లల భవిష్యత్తు గురించి అయితే తపన పడుతున్నారో అంతకు రెట్టింపుగా తపన పడేటువంటి మనస్తత్వం కలిగినటువంటి మేము మీ విద్యార్థులు ఒక మంచి భవిష్యత్తులో తల ఎత్తుకొని తిరిగే విధంగా తయారు చేసేటువంటి బాధ్యత మా మీద ఉంది. ఆ విధంగా బాధ్యత కూడా తీసుకున్నటువంటి మేనేజ్మెంట్ అని చెప్పడానికి నేను గర్వపడుతున్నాను. ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పినట్టు ఒక ఇంజనీరింగ్ గ్రాడ్యుయేటే కాకుండా ఒక ఆల్రౌండ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇచ్చేటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలు కూడా మేము చేపడతా ఉన్నాం. ఈ రోజు అయితే ఎమర్జింగ్ టెక్నాలజీస్ అని చెప్పి మనం కోర్సెస్ కింద కన్వర్ట్ చేసాము. వీటిని 4-5 years కిందనే ఎలెక్టివ్స్ కింద మేము ప్రారంభించాం. సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ అయితే మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్ అయితే ఇవన్నీ కూడా 4-5 years ముందే ఎలెక్టివ్స్ కింద ప్రారంభించి ఆ విధంగా ల్యాబ్స్ కూడా డెవలప్ చేసి ముందుకెళ్తా ఉన్నాం. ఈ మధ్యనే గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా కూడా న్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ ఒక 35 years తర్వాత ఒక మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ కూడా తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. ఎప్పుడైనా ఎగ్జిట్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఎంట్రీ అనే ఒక సిస్టమ్తోని న్యూ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ పాలసీ వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో కూడా మన యొక్క చాలా మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ మాకు గతంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కారణంగా కొంతమంది పేరెంట్స్ యొక్క ప్రోద్బలంతో మేము బీటెక్ లో చేరాం. కానీ నాకు ఫోటోగ్రఫీ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంది, మాకు కొంత యోగా ఇన్స్ట్రక్టర్ గా కావాలా, యోగా టీచర్ గా కావాలని కోరిక ఉంది. అట్లా డిఫరెంట్ కల్చర్డ్ గా కొన్ని ఇంట్రెస్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి మాకు. కాబట్టి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కన్నా కూడా ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ మేము దాని మీద పెడతామని చెప్పి చాలా మంది విద్యార్థులు కూడా చెప్పడం జరిగింది వాళ్ళ యొక్క ఇంట్రెస్ట్ల గురించి. ఇవన్నీ చూసిన తర్వాత అయితే ఈరోజు డెవలప్డ్ కంట్రీస్ అని చెప్పే ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ అయితే ఫాలో అవుతున్నారో అదే విధానం రాబో రోజుల్లో మన దగ్గర కూడా ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అవుతుంది. ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్లస్ సోషాలజీ, ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్లస్ హిస్టరీ, ఇంజనీరింగ్ ప్లస్ పొలిటికల్ సైన్స్, ఆర్ట్స్, ఎనీ సబ్జెక్ట్ యూ కెన్ చూస్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ లర్న్.
16 years జర్నీలో ఈ కాలేజీలో చేరినటువంటి విద్యార్థి స్టూడెంట్స్ వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ యొక్క సపోర్ట్ కారణంగా ఈరోజు ఒక ప్రీమియర్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్గా రాగలిగాం. ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్రూవ్డ్ బై ఏఐసిటి అండ్ అఫిలియేటెడ్ బై జేఎన్టీయూ. నార్మల్గా ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ యొక్క మినిమం పారామీటర్స్ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేస్తే పర్మిషన్స్ ఇస్తారు. బట్ వీ నెవర్, ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఈ యొక్క ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ ఏజెన్సీస్ని, ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ కమిటీస్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయడం కోసము మేము ఏర్పాట్లు చేయలే. మా స్టేక్ హోల్డర్స్, మా పిల్లల గురించి, మా స్టూడెంట్స్ గురించి మేము కూడా సొసైటీకి నేషన్ బిల్డింగ్లో మా యొక్క కంట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఉండాలి. ఒక క్వాలిటీ స్టూడెంట్స్, క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ని చేయాలన్న ఉద్దేశంతోనే మేము ఆల్ అవుట్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ పెట్టాం. ఆ కారణంగానే ఈరోజు విబిఐటి ఒక మంచి స్థానంలో ఉన్నదని నేను గర్వంగా చెప్పగలుగుతాను. ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు చేరిరో వాళ్ళు వచ్చే 4 ఏళ్ళు కంపల్సరీగా క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ తెలుసుకోవడంతో పాటుగా వాళ్ళు రేపటికి సొసైటీకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మంచి పౌరులుగా కాగలుగుతారు. ఈ యొక్క ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో మేము 10 yearsలో ఎలా ఉండాలనేది గౌతమ్ రావు గారు, నేను, అదే రకంగా మా యొక్క కోర్ ఫ్యాకల్టీ ఒక రోడ్ మ్యాప్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకొని దాని ప్రకారంగా ఈరోజు వెళ్ళాం. మీకు పేర్లు కూడా తెలుస్తుంటుంది, మీకు అన్నీ కూడా కనబడతా ఉన్నాయి. మేము సాంస్క్రిట్ నేమ్స్ పెట్టాం బిల్డింగ్స్కి. ఈరోజు సృజన బ్లాక్, ఆకార్ బ్లాక్ ఫర్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, Nirmiti block for mechanical students, Avishkar block for electronics and communication engineering, Prashasan block for administrative, hostels, Nachiketa for boys hostel name, Nivedita girls hostel name, Narmada auditorium block. ఈ రకంగా 3,50,000 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్స్ బిల్డింగ్స్ ఈరోజు ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ క్రియేట్ చేసినాం. కాలేజ్ అంటే కేవలం ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చరే కాదు, ఇది కూడా అవసరం. అదే రకంగా మోడర్న్ ల్యాబొరేటరీస్ను మేము ఏర్పాటు చేశాం. ఆల్ ఫెసిలిటీస్, ఒక ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజీకి ఏ ఫెసిలిటీస్ కావాలనో ఆ ఫెసిలిటీస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేసినాం.
Before I started accepting about this, when I got an invitation to address, maybe I have a bad habit as a law enforcement or a police personnel to look at what was the background. And there are certain friends whose children were studied here. There are certain faculties who worked here. And I told them I has been invited by the people to take a introduction and orientation program. Remember, which the BBIT is planning for that. And even though I was here, I know that there's a lot of colleges were there in Hyderabad, in and around. And I got the answer only for 2. That's where I think Vijnan Bharati should change their logo as V. What is that V stands for? What the people have said. I consolidated, I asked nearly 30-35 people. The first V they said it is very simple. That is called Vasudhaiva Kutumbam. It means they treat everyone as their family member. I rarely come across any university or any education institute where the teachers remember the students, the extra one who are supporting that remember colleges, and the management will behave like a single family. And that is what we got it for the first V. The second one, what they talk about is very simple. There are a lot of colleges were there who are providing the education. But in what way this is different from others I got is, the second V is for something called value-based education. So value-based education and treating the everyone as a family are the 2 hallmarks of this college. That's what I came to know. And congratulations to all the people who are working here and who made this is a really a significant. Because we, as remember law enforcement, today we know that I'm going to discuss about exact in the induction program. There is a new concept that is coming is called OSINT. I don't know how many of you are aware about it. What is OSINT stands for? Open Source Intelligence. Gone are the days where intelligence somebody is going to monitor what I am doing and my friend is doing. Today everybody's life is an open book thanks to something called the internet. Thanks to something called social networking sites. Anybody can go to internet and anybody can see what is really happening, is it a fact or not. And when I did this open source intelligence also, I got, yes, this institute, remember Vijnan Bharati, has really having the 2 V's, something treating as a family and something treating as nothing but the value-based education. So thanks once again to the organizers.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging words. Also, I felt I had a roller coaster ride into the world of technology. I think everybody agrees with me. Thank you, sir, for those words, for that encouraging anecdotes that you have given to us. Thank you, sir. And may I now request our dignitaries on the dais to felicitate our guest with the memento, sir.
One thing I'd like to emphasize is that, sir, as our before speaker spoke, our chief guest, I'm very happy to let you know, sir, that what all you have told us, we are implementing and doing successfully from last 4 to 5 years. So it's not that just we are giving a BTech degree, we are adding value to that by the way of value-added programs. The interdisciplinary, it's not the only degree that you are having. You need to have a combination of multiple domain knowledge and technologies is the need of the day. As said, BTech acts as a basic degree or a foundation for anything required as a core domain knowledge. On top of that, what is required is the topping. It's like a pizza topping that we require. and we are very happy to announce VBIT is the only college to offer more than 16 emerging technologies in collaboration with industries. It's an MOU done with most of the industries, and with the latest offerings that we are getting, they are nothing new to us. The 4 new programs are not new to us. These are the offerings that we are already offering to our students from last 4 or 5 years as a value addition to them, not just as a degree. But now you have an opportunity to take that as a degree. Now I welcome all the students to VBIT and also welcome them to be part of our value added programs. So starting from the first semester, in next couple of days, I am going to introduce you to the emerging technologies and give you a brief gist of 10 hours program on different technologies to make you understand what the things are about and choose your own specialization and get to know that. And as an example of that, here are our 3 students to showcase what they have done, okay, apart from their degree. And I'm also proud to show you that, sir, we have 6 successful startups from last 2 academic years where they are now converted into entrepreneurs.
Whenever you join this college, maybe during the counseling or when you browse through the website of VBIT, all the labs, all the academic aspects are made very clear. So it's very clear for you about the institution you're getting into, what kind of facilities we have, what kind of academics we have, what kind of importance is given everywhere. But one thing which is not appreciated as much, which is a little underrated if I may say, is the kind of support and mentorship we get from our management. So as a part of this 4 years tenure of my BTech, I was lucky enough and fortunate to go to several competitions, several conferences. Maybe I've traveled beyond Hyderabad at least like 10 to 12 times to represent the college and to represent myself. And I can never forget the kind of support I got from the management. Kulkarni sir, our chairman sir, Gautam Rao sir, all of them, they always supported me. My HOD, never I got a question asking from them about why I want to go, if it's actually more important than my education or something like that. The 2 things that I can never forget is the kind of logistic and mentorship support I got from my department.
Coding Studio. It is a place where, by the way, all 3 of us are from the computer science stream. We love programming. So we started this forum. Thanks to management's immense support, we were able to form this, get like-minded students together, and we were making projects. And just after few months after creating the forum, we were representing VBIT in Smart India Hackathon at a national level, and we bagged the first prize. And all this, my friends, my peers asked me, dude, how you're so good at programming, how can you do that? But looking back, it's not some miracle that happened to me. It was just loving what I did.
I remember when I was in first year, I was sitting over there somewhere, and I told Ashwini ma'am when she asked me like to talk about something, I told that I want to inculcate a coding culture in college. Because when I came to college, I saw that there was no active programming culture. We founded a club. Because there was a problem, we solved it. When this pandemic situation arrived, all of the classes were banned. We were not able to come to college. Lecturers and the faculty were facing trouble to conduct their day-to-day assignments and lectures. So we made an online portal for them, which is VBIT's official LMS, learning management system called Abhyas. We saw a problem, we solved it. When I was in my internship, I saw that there was a huge gap between academic and the practical nature of the industry. I saw that there was no alumni portal of alumni application where alumni of the college, people like me, can connect to people like you. So we made an application called as Disha. We saw a problem and we solved it. So this is how we had fun in our engineering life and also took meaning out of it. And that is how I would advise you to spend these 4 years of your engineering life.
Minutes, we are going to discuss something very serious. Forcibly, you have enjoyed almost 1 year vacation. I can say it is a forced vacation, and now you are against any vacation, and now you are ready to work even on Sundays also. That is the condition of the present day youth. So we will quickly see how your academics is going to be in the next 4 years. There will not be much change in the teaching learning process, but there will be a small change in the terminology. So today I am going to introduce you to the new terminology of the BTech courses. So now that you have joined in different branches, the first thing you will be allotted is a 10-digit roll number. And this 10-digit roll number is going to be similar to your Aadhaar number for the next 4 years. So it is purely based on your name. As per the alphabetical order, you will be allotted your roll numbers. And it will be, a branch code will be also there in the last 4 digits. And immediately next to it, you will be given identity cards. So these identity cards are mandatory. Whenever you are there in the campus, you must be having that ID card. Otherwise, you will not be allowed into the classes or examination halls. And minimum 75% of attendance is a must. Why I am giving you those 25% leverage is, during that 25%, you have to attend some programs related to academics. So we are giving you the leverage of 25%. Otherwise, you must attend all 100% of the classes without fail. Then we want all the students to be in formal dresses to the institute. And let me assure all my parents that VBIT is ragging free college. There will not be any single incident of ragging. And one more good news is, from today onwards, we are going to provide mentors to your wards. So all 20 students in a class, out of 60 students, 20 students will be allotted to one mentor. And this mentor is going to be parent for your ward in this institute.
Your journey is going to start from today onwards, and next 4 years, you are going to be part and parcel of this VBIT culture. I can understand the anxiety in the minds of parents. So far so, they have taken very good care of their kids, and now they are dropping their kids, they are dropping the students into this campus. I assure you, my dear parents, that all these 950 students, the one of the highest intake in Telangana, this college is having 950 students are joining from today onwards in this institute. They are in safe hands. Because we sincerely believe, as chief guest pointed out, that ayogya purusho nasti yojakas tatra durlabha. In this universe, in this world, not a single entity is useless. Forget about students. We criticize the faculty members, we criticize the teacher, we criticize the mentor, those who are using the word useless for any student. No, never, students cannot be useless. Here in VBIT, we develop the culture that we are finding out the strength hidden in the students. We are finding out the talent. We will never point out that you are weak in this area and therefore you are useless to do anything. You will never say, we will never say to our student, we will never insult our student that you are unfit to become engineer, you are unfit to become professional. Not a single faculty in VBIT use the word for the student that you are useless, you are unfit. No. Always we are trying to find out what is the strength, what is the positive things in the student. He is a mix of qualities. Every student, every human being is a mix of qualities. You cannot expect all 100% result. And therefore, real teacher and real institute is not to underline the negative areas of the student, but to understand the strength of the student and to motivate the student in a proper direction.
And before we end this program, I would like to call upon Ms. Shweta for the national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद।